Discover how EZO streamlines equipment reservations and dispatch requests for construction projects. Let's explore together. The first step in managing your dispatch center is to create a dispatch request. To create this request, go to your equipment details page, Dispatch Requests, and click Add Dispatch Request. Begin creating your dispatch request by filling out the following form. Hit Reserve once you have entered the details. Once you hit Reserved, the request will show under Dispatch Requests. You can view all your requests in a single view and take action on them from the equipment details page. Edit your dispatch request in Dispatch or check it out directly from here. Now you can view requests in the Dispatch Center by clicking the Module tab in the left navigation bar. This is what your Dispatch Center will look like. It combines request management with Item Planner into a single operational view. Equipment managers can manage all types of item and non-item requests directly from the Dispatch Center, and also get a detailed view of the equipment availability so they can approve, deny, or take action on the requests accordingly. General and equipment requests fall under the broader category of requests. General requests may be generated from the request portal and may not be associated with any specific item, whereas equipment requests can be generated from within EZO, directly from an equipment's details page. The request statuses are reserved, ready for dispatch, dispatched, checked out, maintenance, and on order. Each request status is color-coded to easily identify it on the planner. From a general request, you can take multiple actions such as create a reservation, check out, check in, extend checkout, create work order, create purchase order, or simply resolve or deny the request. For instance, if you want to reserve an item to cater to a request, click Reserve, and the following window will appear in the left panel, allowing you to enter the reservation details. Once you make the reservation, the request will also show on the calendar on the right side. The reservation will be made and show on the calendar. You can take actions on it by clicking Ready for Dispatch, or dispatching or checking it out as needed. The request status will be updated on the calendar. Return equipment after project completion. Instantly updating equipment availability across your organization. Simply click Check-in from the Dispatch Center. Process the check-in to verify condition, capture maintenance needs, and free up equipment for the next project from the Dispatch Center. Apply various filters to get a precise view of your planner. You can start by applying a request type filter. Monitor request status to stay ahead of equipment needs and prevent project bottlenecks. Sort requests by team member to see who requested equipment and improve accountability. Drill down into equipment categories to forecast demand and optimize its management. Once the filters have been applied, the planner will be updated and you will get a filtered view of the planner. You can also filter the requests by projects. Simply select the project name from the drop-down menu. Your dispatch request for projects will appear on the planner with the project name. For instance, if a crew member reserves a piece of equipment, it appears in yellow on the planner. As an equipment manager, you can deny the reservation, mark the equipment ready for dispatch, dispatch it directly, or check it out to the crew member. Manage your tool requests from the planner. The number of tools reserved, checked out, or ready for dispatch will be highlighted along with the request status. You can enable alerts for your dispatch requests from the Alerts and Emails module in EZO. Head to Alerts and Emails, My Alerts, and click Dispatch Requests. Here's an example of an email alert of a dispatch request. And that's it. You are all set to manage requests with the Dispatch Center in EZO.